Hello everyone, my name is Madhvi Choudhary, a student of the Lexicon Institute of Media and Animation. Lexicon has been nothing short of the life-changing experience for me, and I am excited to share my transformative journey here with you. Being part of the Lexicon first batch feel like being on the cutting edges of innovation. I have seen this institute evolve, innovate and pursue excellence. And the best part is the personal attention we receive. It's like being part of the revolution right from the start. One of my proudest moments on this journey was when Lexicon gave me the opportunity to recognize and anchor an event. It was a defining moment that I will remember forever, and it's perfectly symbolized the countless opportunity this institute offers to its students. Being part of the Lexicon is not just about event and stage presence, it is a creative powerhouse. The faculty at Lexicon are more than just educators. They are mentors who believe in us and push us to reach from the stars. They do not just teach, they inspire. Thanks to the Lexicon Institute of Media and Animation, I have transformed into such a confident and a dynamic individual, ready to conquer the world of media and animation.